Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to get back deleted Instagram pictures. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application and then tap here at your profile icon to get in your profile. And then tap on these three lines icon to bring up that menu, and here select your activity. After that, in that list select recently deleted, and here you will get all your posts that was deleted in last 30 days. So you can tap on post, you can tap on three dots icon, and you can now delete it permanently from recently deleted, or you can restore that post. Just tap on restore and confirm that action, and now once it post will be restored, you can go to your profile and check how it works. So let's do this. Let's renew the page, and now this post was restored. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.